Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. When to replace anti-lock brake fuses or relays, signs and steps. Are you experiencing issues with your vehicle's braking system? Understanding the role of anti-lock fuses or relays is crucial for maintaining optimal safety on the road. These components are vital in ensuring your vehicle's anti-lock braking system functions efficiently. Anti-lock fuses and relays play a significant role in preventing wheel lockup during sudden braking, allowing for better control and stability of the vehicle. When these components malfunction, it can lead to serious safety concerns and compromise the effectiveness of your braking system. Common signs that indicate a need for an anti-lock fuse or relay replacement include frequent ABS warning light illumination on the dashboard, unresponsive or erratic braking behavior, and unusual noises during braking. Addressing these issues promptly is essential to ensure the continued safety and performance of your vehicle. Stay tuned to discover the importance of timely anti-lock fuse or relay replacement and how it can help you maintain a reliable braking system for your vehicle's overall safety on the road. Understanding anti-lock fuses and relays. When it comes to the safety of your vehicle's braking system, understanding the role of anti-lock fuses and relays is crucial. Anti-lock fuses play a significant part in preventing electrical overloads within the ABS. These fuses act as safeguards, ensuring that if there is a surge of electricity that could potentially damage the system, the fuse will blow out, interrupting the circuit and protecting the ABS components from harm. Anti-lock fuse functionality. The specific function of anti-lock fuses is to prevent electrical overloads that could damage the sensitive components of the ABS. By acting as barriers to excessive current flow, these fuses ensure that the ABS operates smoothly without being compromised by power surges. Think of anti-lock fuses as the guardians of your ABS, ready to sacrifice themselves to protect the vital electronics that keep your brakes functioning effectively. Relays' role in the ABS system. Relays are essential components in the ABS, responsible for controlling the electrical circuits that activate the anti-lock braking system. These relays act as switches, opening and closing the circuits that power the ABS components. By doing so, relays facilitate timely brake modulation, allowing the system to intervene when wheel slippage is detected. Picture relays as the conductors of an orchestra, coordinating the intricate movements of the ABS to ensure your vehicle stops safely and efficiently. Understanding the unique functions of anti-lock fuses and relays within the ABS is key to maintaining the safety and performance of your vehicle's brakes. By safeguarding against electrical overloads and enabling precise brake modulation, these components work together to enhance your driving experience and keep you safe on the road. Signs that indicate replacement. Dashboard warning lights. When you see warning lights on your dashboard, especially ones related to the ABS, it's a telltale sign that there could be issues with the anti-lock fuses or relays. These lights may appear as the ABS light, traction control light, or brake system warning light. Ignoring these indicators could lead to unsafe driving conditions, as they signify potential problems with crucial components that ensure your vehicle's braking system operates effectively. Brake performance problems. Faulty anti-lock fuses or relays can significantly impact your vehicle's braking performance. You may notice issues such as extended stopping distances, unresponsive brakes, or even brake failure in extreme cases. If you experience any abnormalities in your braking system, it's essential to address them promptly to prevent safety hazards on the road. Prompt replacement of the fuses or relays can restore proper braking function and help ensure your safety while driving. Unusual sounds or vibrations. If you hear strange noises or feel unusual vibrations when applying the brakes, it could be a sign of potential problems with the anti-lock fuses or relays. These sounds and vibrations might indicate issues like ABS pump motor failure or relay malfunctions, affecting the proper functioning of your vehicle's anti-lock braking system. Paying attention to these auditory and tactile cues can help you identify and resolve any underlying fuse or relay issues before they escalate into more significant problems. Replacing anti-lock fuses or relays. After encountering issues with your vehicle's anti-lock system, it might be time to consider replacing the fuses or relays. Understanding where these components are located, following safety precautions, and mastering the replacement process can help you navigate this task smoothly. Locating the fuses and relays. In most vehicles, the anti-lock fuses and relays can be found within the fuse box or relay panel. These are commonly situated near the engine bay or under the dashboard. Refer to your vehicle's manual for precise locations, as they can vary depending on the make and model of your car. By identifying the specific fuse or relay related to the anti-lock system, you can proceed with the replacement process confidently. Safety precautions. Before starting the replacement procedure, it's crucial to prioritize safety. Begin by disconnecting the car battery to avoid any electrical mishaps. Utilize insulated tools to prevent electrical shocks and wear protective gear like gloves and goggles. Avoid working on wet surfaces and ensure the engine is switched off. By adhering to these precautions, you reduce the risk of accidents and protect yourself from potential harm. Step-by-step replacement process. Identify the faulty component. Use your vehicle manual to pinpoint the anti-lock fuse or relay that needs replacement. Access the fuse box or relay panel. Locate the fuse box or relay panel in your car and open it carefully. Remove the defective fuse or relay. Using needle nose pliers, gently pull out the damaged fuse or relay from its slot. Avoid applying excessive force to prevent damage to surrounding components. Install the new fuse or relay. Insert the new anti-lock fuse or relay into the vacant slot, ensuring a secure fit. Make sure it matches the amperage requirements specified in your manual to prevent electrical issues. Secure the fuse box or relay panel. Once the replacement is complete, close the fuse box or relay panel securely. Reconnect the car battery. Reconnect the car battery and test the anti-lock system to ensure the new component functions correctly. By following these steps meticulously and focusing on safety, you can effectively replace anti-lock fuses or relays in your vehicle. Remember to consult a professional if you encounter any challenges during the process. To wrap up our discussion on anti-lock fuses and relay replacement, it is crucial to emphasize the fundamental role these components play in ensuring safe and efficient driving. By maintaining functional anti-lock fuses and relays, drivers can significantly reduce the risk of accidents and improve overall vehicle performance. Remember, these seemingly small parts are vital for the proper functioning of your vehicle's anti-lock braking system. In today's fast-paced world where road conditions can change in an instant, having a reliable anti-lock braking system can be a game changer. By being proactive about checking and replacing faulty fuses or relays, you are taking a crucial step towards enhancing your driving experience and prioritizing safety on the road. So, the next time you embark on a quest behind the wheel, remember the importance of these often overlooked components. Stay one step ahead by ensuring your anti-lock fuses and relays are in top condition, and you'll be on your way to a smoother and more secure journey every time you hit the road. Stay tuned for more informative content to keep your vehicle running smoothly and safely. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.